Zai.
Please call me Zarina. Take a seat.
May dala nga pala ako para sa'yo.
That can wait. Anyway, as you know, I've been logging your performance in my ledger. And for the past week, I have observed that you have been increasingly committing gestures or actions that fall under the liability category in my series of T accounts. And weighing all the total gains and...
So,
You're fired. But you'd still get your salary for today.
ganun ba?
I'm sorry, Mr. Francisco.
Actually, resignation letter dun dala ko. Sige, mauna na ako. Nice knowing you.
Wait. We don't accept non-computerized letters.
Bawat patak, bawat patak, bawat patak ay para sa'yo. Bawat patak, bawat patak, bawat patak, bawat patak, ibibigay ko.
Letter po from Mr. Francisco.
Thank you.